Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo without Wi-Fi. First, download any digital games you wish to play before you lose your internet connection. It's also crucial to set your console as the primary device for your Nintendo account. This ensures you can access all your purchased digital content. Remember, most physical game cartridges do not require an internet connection to start playing, offering a straightforward offline experience. Always update your system and games while you have Wi-Fi access. To prepare your console for offline adventures, designate your Nintendo Switch as the primary console for your Nintendo account. This vital step grants you full access to all your digital game purchases, even without an internet connection. Before heading out, always verify that all your games and the system software have the latest updates installed. A fully charged console is also essential, providing many hours of uninterrupted gameplay, typically between 4 and 9 hours, depending on the model and game. You can enjoy a vast array of game modes without any internet connection. Many titles feature extensive single-player campaigns that provide dozens, or even hundreds, of hours of entertainment. Additionally, local multiplayer modes allow up to 8 players to join in on the fun using a single console. Some games also support local wireless co-op, letting 2 or more consoles connect directly. Always check game settings for specific offline content options to maximize your enjoyment. For the best offline gaming experience, always remember to save your game progress frequently. This prevents losing valuable playtime if your console runs out of battery unexpectedly. Ensure your Joy-Cons or Pro controllers are fully charged, as they typically offer 20 to 40 hours of play. For extended journeys, a portable power bank can provide several extra charges. Finally, when purchasing new games, check the packaging or eShop description for clear indicators of offline playability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.